Hey everyone, it's Ryan with Peterson Volvo again, here with another tip and trick for your new Volvo. Today I'm in a 2024 XC90 V6, and I'm going to show you how you can reboot your hard drive and computer in the vehicle to clear any issue or quirk with your vehicle, which does come up from time to time. Let me switch up quick. Okay, so we have our main infotainment screen here, and the button you're going to use is this home button right here. So the physical button right below your screen. To reboot it and refresh it, you're just going to push and hold. Now you want to keep on holding that button for roughly about 30 seconds. So once the screen goes completely black, you can release it, which should come up just about now. There we go. So let go, and now the system is just going to reboot like a computer or a phone. So kind of like our phones and computers, they just sometimes have issues and quirks that they just need to be reset. No different with the car's computer as well. So like I said, about 9 times out of 10, if you have a quirk where maybe something freezes up or it won't go to the tile that you want to, navigation isn't working properly, or you lose sound for your system, this reboot will fix it about 9 times out of 10. So you see everything is back up again. You are good to go. Now the one question I've had asked from customers is, can you do that while you're driving? Technically yes. You still want to focus on the road if possible, but you can do it while you are driving. It will not reset the main computer here, and you're still going to get your speed and speed limit up all the time. One quick note too, you may notice from time to time that when you start your vehicle that it does kind of do that reboot naturally, and that is normal. So there is a built-in timer into the computer where about 12 hours of use or driving, it will naturally just go into a reboot mode to clear the cache and memory in the system, so the car computer will work quickly and naturally the way it's supposed to. Any questions, feel free to reach out, comment, or stop by. I am always here to help. Thanks, you guys.